Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is a budget PC built with used parts and a puppy. Well, surely I must be smoking something, right? But no, it's diypc's Illusion 2 tempered glass case and an FM2 GB motherboard combined with used parts to make up this cool performance PC. Although cool, the motherboard is nothing fancy and I acquired it on trade. Even though it was like new in the box, I valued it at $20 given that what I traded for it. And an Athlon x4 760K by AMD, well, that was a best offer win for $40 on eBay. So given what I have so far, this is looking rather cool for a budget PC. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm easily distracted. I found this old Xbox that I had painted a while back, and you know, it was kind of scratched up and stuff, but I tried to make it look a little better anyway. And then I start thinking, how can I improve this? And then, you know, I kind of lose half a day. But anyways, back to the computer. Since the motherboard and RAM's already in the case, there's really not a whole lot to do here. Just whip it together and have the puppy inspector check it out and see if our effort was worth it. Okay, so the puppy PC inspector gives us the green light. He assures me that this is a good all-around budget PC build. So I reassured the puppy, you know, our $20 used Craigslist GTX 950 fans won't spin up unless the card reaches 60 degrees C+. Give or take, you know, a degree or two. Yeah, I really paid $20 for that hardly used GTX 950. It came with the box and everything. It was a great, fantastic deal. I wish I could find deals like that all the time. You just have to be patient. The old school RAM did surprisingly well with this system. I was gonna do some put some more performance and larger capacity modules in and see what the potential we had here. But this PC I got actually sold during the making of this video. I usually post them when I'm finished testing and it's a long time in between, you know, before a buyer comes around and grabs it. But this was gone the next day, guys. I mean, just like that. So, you know, I'm sorry I couldn't do any more, but I mean, you can see what I have so far. And, you know, I hope you liked this video and maybe did something similar. Maybe got some pictures of something really cool. You know, that's the kind of stuff I'm interested in. Something different, something unique. You can send pictures by email to modstek@gmail.com. And, you know, I'd be glad to look at them, you know, maybe even put some on a future upcoming video. You know, you never know. The old school RAM did surprisingly well with this system. I was gonna swap out for some